Hello and welcome to AIRBEDPros.com. Today I want to teach you a little bit about pressure bonding. It's a new technique I've started using on my airbed components, and what it's designed to do is achieve a more airtight seal at the fitting. And what we do is we cut off the old fitting, and inside the hose we pressurize another hose. And after you pressurize the hose inside there with a flush point, we pressurize the fitting inside there. And what you end up with is a more airtight seal. You literally need a pair of pliers to get the fitting out of there. Interior pressure bonding's a better way to do things when it comes to airline fittings, because you eliminate external pressure clamping. And what that does is it creates a premature crack over time. The fitting's naturally kind of prematurely broken, and as you start to use it or it dries out, then that crack expands and you end up with an air leak, and it's hidden somewhere inside between the hose and the fitting. With interior pressure bonding, the interior hose is turned into almost a glue adhesive, and as it bonds in, there's just no way to get it out. You have to cut it off. So interior pressure bonding is a new technology we're using here at Airbed Pros. If you'd like to learn more about how we use it to achieve a more airtight seal in our airbed pump and air chamber system, please give us a call at 314-599-2777.